Alright, Sunday night, trying to figure out what type of video I want to make, and you know what? It's got to be some money advice, some investing stuff. Tomorrow I am going to be up bright and early. The stock market is going to open, and I am going to be excited and fired up no matter how high or low my stocks get. Either I'm going to make some money or I'm going to learn a lesson on how to make more money. So I'm really excited. And of course, me, I'm into investing. I mostly do stocks. That's just what's always excited me. It's what I'm learning right now. But the big one out there is Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. It's all the rage. Every YouTube video I go on to, there's an ad for Bitcoin. Everyone is trying to promote their Bitcoin coaching business so they can make money off of without even trading in Bitcoin. Every bank commercial has Bitcoin. I go to call up my bank to try and make a trade, and I have to listen to a 2-minute automated machine explaining to clients how to actually purchase Bitcoin and not through this app. So it has really disrupted my life. Everybody's on it, and there's pros and cons. I'm happy a lot of people are getting into investing who wouldn't really be into investing. So it's like making passive income is mainstream right now, and I think that is really cool and really exciting. It's going to benefit everybody. And hey, when the market does good, I'm going to do good. Of course, if y'all know what you're doing, some of you are going to freaking kill me. Oh my gosh. I'm on this one, it's on a forum for not Bitcoin, but it correlated. And this one guy was complaining how he took out a credit card, maxed it out at $19,000 to buy into Bitcoin when it's at $19,000. And I'm pretty sure Bitcoin closed at $11,000. So this guy took out a $19,000 credit card and lost $8,000 right there. And I like to think Bitcoin's going to come back up. I don't think we've seen the best of it yet. It really just exploded last year. But who knows? I'm probably wrong. You never know. That's what's exciting, though. You can never predict this stuff. So I am going to go through all the pros and cons of Bitcoin for beginners. I'm more of a beginner in it, and I'm obviously going to be trying to help beginners. I'm not going to tell a Bitcoin millionaire what to do. But for someone like me, for example, who only knows the little nitty-gritty things, I'm going to spit what I know for someone who is absolutely clueless so they can get a simpler idea. And if you know more about trading crypto than me, please comment, share your information. Learning's fun. That's what we were here to do. And so, big thing, first of all, as I was talking about the guy with the credit card, if you are going to be spending money on crypto or investing, any type of investment, only spend what you're willing to lose. That's a big one. You don't go all in when you have no idea what you're doing. I know you see these motivational quotes online of saying you gotta risk it all. Bull crap, okay? Be smart with this. Unless you are confident as hell in yourself, and even still, that's a bad idea. This is passive income. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight. This is using your money to make you a little bit extra. But all right, let's go through some of the pros. So first, biggest pro of Bitcoin and trading cryptos is you can make money. That's why we're here, ain't it? It's so we can make more money. You can throw $1,000 in it, and at the end of the day, it's $2,000, and all you had to do is risk that $1,000. Another big pro of it is you learn how to take chances. You learn how to put your balls out there, basically. You want to become fearless? Put down $10,000. Look at a couple numbers. Look at a company and be like, yeah, this is worth 5 figures to me. You're going to be a really confident person after a while if you keep doing that. And another big thing I love about cryptos and stuff is it teaches you basically the basics of investing in passive income. Just kind of cover that all. It correlates with it, And then if you realize crypto is your thing, hey, stocks and bonds are right around the corner. How about trading regular currencies? That's been around for years already. It's not just this new thing that's all exciting. But now let's go into the cons. Oh, this is the big one. If you focus more on these than the pros, you will never take the chance. But keep in mind of these things. So biggest con of trading cryptocurrency is the basic risk of all investing is you can lose money. You may wake up tomorrow and it's all gone. Probably not likely, but it's happened. Or even it just goes a little bit lower, and you're like, oh, if I could just break even, you hold on till it breaks even, but that day never comes. It's a tough one. Who knows? Maybe you'll break even after 5 years, and that's a lot of patience. Most people will sell and they won't even get to that. Another big con is crypto itself, especially it's sketchy. Bitcoin is really big because people don't know who runs it. There's a possibility it's all being done by one guy on his computer just scamming money. There's been quite a few either scams or controversies or laws being passed on Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin, especially. As far as I know, you can create your own cryptocurrency online yourself and put it on the trading block, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So, yeah, basically any Joe Schmo can create their own currency, and Bitcoin could very well be that. I like to, again, people are already making millions off it. So chances are you still have pretty good odds, unless you're the unlucky one, or whoever, if it is a scam and the person's pulling the strings, decides to cut them loose once you get in. But chances are, let's say if you started trading Bitcoin a year ago, you're well off right now. And again, biggest con is it can all be gone tomorrow. They very well could. Most likely won't, but it can happen. Okay, I'm trading my stocks. I'm always scared. I've woken up down a couple $1,000s. The first time, yeah, I freaked out. I cried. And then all of a sudden, at the end of the day, it was back to normal. I'm like, whoa, okay. Then I was listening to Warren Buffett and a couple other investors, and like, hey, when there's a correction, just don't do anything. Wait it out. What goes up must come down, and you know what goes down can come up too. And so yeah, with all investments, you'll never. Last side note, you're never going to be able. People say, "Oh, I'm just waiting for the right time." There will never be a perfect time to start investing. You cannot time the market. Every stock ever, every crypto, everything, they will hit a peak. There will always be a peak. It's there for 2 seconds because the market refreshes so much, it drops back down. So you'll never be able to sell at the peak. You can sell at a high, you can buy in at a low. So that stuff is hard to time. So you're never going to be able to. The You never be able to time it. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is to start right now. So thank you all for watching this. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please email me. Follow me on Instagram at sweet_glutes. Comment down below your thoughts on cryptos and trading Bitcoin and if you've had success with it. If you have, I am so happy for you.